fam, in today's tutorial I'm showing us how to make this lovely hoops earring. I call this one the floral petal pattern. You can name it anything you want. This is a very simple tutorial. It is easy and yes, it's fast to create. If you have old hoops earring that you want to, restyle, then this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. I will just need to cut out some fabric in square shapes like this. I need 20 of it and then two extra ones for the base, right? Two smaller ones for the base. I'm going to cut them into small circles like this. I'll fold it into two and then fold it into two again to give me four folds, right? Into two, right, into half, and then that half into half again. Now after I'm done folding, I'll take my scissors and I'm going to cut, from where the opening is. I'm going to just cut it, trying to form a semi-cone, right? I'm going to be forming a semi-cone. It's going to look like this when I'm done cutting. When you open it up, you have a circle, right? You can go ahead and reduce the size if you want, but you have a circle when you open it up like this. Now I will do the same thing for all the other squares that I cut. Now at the middle of this, I'm going to add a little hule gum. I'm using hule gum for this particular tutorial. You can use ECC or any other kind of glue that you have, but preferably for this particular tutorial you need hule gum, right? I'll put some glue there and then put some glue here as well. Then I'm going to leave it out to dry. Then like I said, I'm going to repeat this for all the other ones. I'm going to cut them into circles like this, add some glue and leave them out to dry. Now when this process is done, the next thing I'm going to do is to attach them to the base. Remember I said I was going to cut out small tiny ones that I'll use as the base, right? This is it right here. I'll pick one of them. I cut out two because I have front and back, like it's two-sided. So I'll pick up one and then I'm going to begin attaching the petals to it. I'll add some glue at the tip here and place it on the circle. I'll do this for four. The down part is going to have four. Then on top of that down part, I'm going to add extra four. Just watch so you can understand what I'm trying to do. When I'm done with the base like this, when I'm done with the very first layer, I'll pick up another set, right? And then in between two of the petals, I'll add another one. This is for the second layer. So I'll add some glue and then in between I'll place the petal, right? I'll place my fabric. I'm calling this petal now because it looks like petals. Okay, so I'll place this and then I'll do this for the remaining three. Now when I'm done with the remaining three, I'm going to be left with two flowers. First, just know that you are using 10 for one side and 10 for the other side. That's why it's 20, and then two extra for the base, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just attach it like this. When I get to the end, I'll have two, like from the very first thing, I'll have two left. Now the two left, I'm going to attach them together and then place them at the middle of the petals. hope you saw what I tried to explain earlier, right? The remaining two, I'll put it in the middle like this, right? Ensuring that there's no glue spilling or showing anywhere. And this is it. It looks like this. Now, I'll do the same for the other remaining petals. When I'm done with all of it, right? When I'm done with all of it, the last stage is to go ahead and attach it to the hoops. Now, you should have wrapped your hoops already. If you don't want to wrap your hoops, it's okay. If you don't even know how to wrap your hoops, I have a video, this particular one showing up here. Go ahead and click on that link to watch the video on how to wrap your hoops neatly, right? You can go ahead and click on that video and watch it, how to wrap your hoops neatly. Now, for this part, I'm going to add some glue gum to the middle of the base, right? I'll turn it over and add some hook gum to the middle of the base, attach my earring, and then add some glue on the other part, and then I'll stick it together, holding it down for it to dry. When you're done, this is done. Now some persons might prefer to have their own at the middle, right? On this hoop, you might prefer to have your own floral pattern, yeah, at the middle. I've had some of my clients tell me that they prefer theirs there, but I just decided to try it by the side, right? I've been doing it at the middle, but for the particular tutorial, I decided to try it at the side. So you can decide to have your own at the middle. You can even decide to do smaller sizes and then have two of them attached to the hoops. It depends on how wide your hoops is. This is it. This is the entire tutorial. I'm hoping that you can go ahead and try it. If you do try it, come back to the comment section and tell me if it worked for you, and probably can share a picture using my WhatsApp link in my bio to tell me what yours, to show me what yours look like. If you like to have a one-on-one class with me, I am available to teach you. So go ahead and hit the bio, check my bio for my WhatsApp link, chat me up, and we can get talking. All right, see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.